Hello everyone, myself Kanhaiya Maurya, basically from Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in BA Art in Siddharth University in 2022. Experience about Evision Technoserve was just imagine specialist models on cloud computing, virtualization, Windows Outlook, and ITIL. Uh, Here mentor were well experienced in their respective domain. Here the models prospected instructed based on certifiable and necessities after completed 45 days of online internship. I got job offered Team Computer Pvt Private Limited with salary offered 2.8 lakh. This institute best way to grow my career. Thank you Vision to show me right decision in my online training journey.